Hey, this is Kalam again here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate any image or art using Microsoft Paint. It's absolutely free for join. So this link I will let you interest. You can see this is a dashboard. So now, what image you want to create? Just write here and enter. So I already generated 10 prompt using ChatGPT. You know, ChatGPT is a product of Microsoft. It's absolutely free for use 3.5. I highly recommend you for use these things. So I write this prompt, just click create. Wow, I really surprised and shocked for this image because this is really attractive. I write generate an image depicting a sustainable and co-friendly world in 2100. Wow. Oof. So I'm going to next one. Then I write this image. So again go to this here. Then just paste. Then create. Wow. This is also good. So wow. If you want to download this image, just click this icon. Otherwise, if you want to customize, just click here. You can see this is my own image. Content details generated January 24 and 7 and 15 a.m. This is my own photo. If I want to use this photo in social media purpose, this is ideal for me and you. So I highly recommend you for use Microsoft Bing. When you join, you got a 15 coin, and every charge this platform card 1 coin. If you want more video, please subscribe my channel, turn on notification bell. See you again. Take care. Bye.